Welcome to our channel SciShort. Hello guys, today we are going to know some medical terms. So let's go. In my list, first one is carcinoma. Carcinoma is a type of cancer that originates in epithelial cells, which are found in tissues lining the organs and body cavities. Second one is myeloma is a type of cancer that affects plasma cells in the bone marrow, causing the overproduction of abnormal antibodies. In my row, third one is leukemia is a type of cancer that affects the blood and bone marrow, causing an abnormal production of white blood cells. In my list, last one is thrombosis is the formation of a blood clot within a blood vessel, obstructing normal blood flow. And the fifth number is myocarditis. Myocarditis is inflammation of the heart muscle, typically caused by viral infections or autoimmune diseases. In my row, next number is anemia. Anemia is a medical condition characterized by a deficiency of healthy red blood cells or hemoglobin, resulting in reduced oxygen carrying capacity in the bloodstream. And the last one in my list is arthritis. Arthritis is a chronic condition characterized by inflammation and pain in the joints. If you want to know some more medical terms, please comment us. I will give more terms in second part like this. Thank you and subscribe our channel SCI Short Circuit.